Today we are baking old-fashioned raisin muffins, soft, buttery and full of flavors. Let's get started. First, lightly grease your muffin tin with melted butter so the muffins release easily after baking. Now in a bowl, add 250 grams of pastry flour, 3 grams of salt, 15 grams of baking powder, 175 grams of sugar, 2 grams of cinnamon powder, 50 grams of golden raisins, 100 grams of butter, 75 grams of beaten egg, 5 grams of vanilla paste, 175 milliliters of room temperature milk. Fold everything together gently. The batter should be soft and smooth. Do not overmix. Spoon the batter into your prepared muffin tin, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake at 190 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Enjoy!